Did you know that Uranus is actually colder than Neptune, even though it's a billion miles closer to the Sun? That's right. Distance from the Sun doesn't always mean colder temperatures in space. This icy mystery has baffled astronomers for decades, and the answer is absolutely wild. Uranus reaches a record-breaking -224 degrees Celsius, making it the coldest planet in our entire solar system. Neptune, despite being 3 billion miles away from the Sun, only gets down to -214 degrees Celsius. That's a 10-degree difference that shouldn't exist based on distance alone. The shocking reason? Uranus has virtually no internal heat. While Neptune radiates 2.6 times more energy than it receives from the Sun, Uranus barely radiates any excess heat at all. Its core temperature is only 5,010 Kelvin, compared to Neptune's 5,400 Kelvin. Uranus is essentially a switched-off planet. The cause of this cosmic catastrophe? Billions of years ago, something massive, possibly a planet-sized object, crashed into Uranus with such force that it knocked the entire planet onto its side. This 98-degree tilt disrupted its interior, causing it to lose most of its primordial heat to space forever. And here's the craziest part. Uranus spins like a rolling bowling ball instead of a spinning top, with one pole experiencing 42 years of continuous sunlight, followed by 42 years of complete darkness. This bizarre orientation prevents heat from distributing evenly across the planet, keeping it locked in an eternal deep freeze. Want to learn more fascinating facts about our solar system? Visit Sikho.ai for mind-blowing science content every single day.